how to fix your device is not compatible with this version on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix the problem like this app is not compatible with your device error on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to just update your iPhone iOS. For that, simply open settings. From settings section, tap on general. From general, tap on software update. And from the software update section, if you find any pending update, simply tap on the option download or update now. After you tap on that, you'll be able to fix the problem with your new latest iOS version. Like some apps stop supporting older iOS versions, so if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just download an older version of app if that is available on App Store. And as usual, you'll have to check your region settings. For that, from the settings section, again from general, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option language and region. And from here, make sure your region is correctly set. Some app may not be available in all region. Changing this can make the app change downloadable. At last, you can restart your iPhone. For that, from the general section, scroll down and tap on shutdown. After you tap on that and restart your iPhone, your problem should be gone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.